So it is the change of seasons in my garden, and we are heading from winter into spring. And we've had several weeks now of consistently warmer temperatures, and my plants know it. They can feel the temperature change. Plants are cued by things like day length, by ambient temperature, by humidity, all things we probably don't think a heck of a lot about. But the plants are incredibly sensitive to it. So when this plant here starts to change the leaf shape, the leaves get a little bit more paler, and you can start to see the beginning of the flower buds. That means it's going to flower and seed or bolting. When that happens, there's not a heck of a lot we can do about it. That's just indicating that it is time to change the guards and put in some new plants. When this happens, we can do a little bit to extend the season just a touch. When you're planting in containers, making sure to keep the soil as cool as possible. So picking containers perhaps that are lighter in color, and conversely, in the beginning of the season, using those pots that are darker in color to generate heat within the pot, but also doing things like planting in some afternoon shade, or perhaps if you're working in containers, literally picking up that pot and moving it to a spot that has a little bit of afternoon shade. It can really dramatically extend the length of your planting season or your growing season. So although we can't necessarily change the temperatures, we can create little tiny microclimates that can favor the plant a little bit longer until we have something seeded and ready to grow in its place.